Hi, I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. I've been here since October of 2014. I began selling here on the floor, and it wasn't until after 20 years in the automotive industry that I realized that I needed a change. I'd done everything you can imagine in the car business and lost the passion for that. I wanted something more for myself and my family. And it wasn't until I was camping up at Big Lake, and some of you have been there, that I observed other families out there really enjoying life. It seemed to me like they were completely in their element. They were no longer in the day-to-day routine of work and coming home and work and coming home. They seemed so happy, and I realized that that's something I could really wrap my head around. So that began my career in, camping. We'll call it a camping career. I love talking to people about what they're going to do and where they're going to take their RV or travel trailer, whether it be up in the mountains or on the beach. And for me, my passion is just getting people involved in something that I see to be so critical. And when you can get your kids away from their electronic devices out in nature, to me that's a win. And that's what we're about. We're not about sales pitches, we're about facts, and we're backed by the best built units out there in Jayco. So come on by, let's take a look around, see what you think. I'd love to talk to you about who we are and what we're about. We're a family-run business we're the oldest RV dealership in the state, been around here since the mid-60s. And we're passionate about families, and we're passionate about you getting out there and, getting out of your element. Again, I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.